Hey, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. Today, for you, I got a small crock pot. Alright, let's check this out. So, let's just get this out of the way real quick. This is a 1.5 quart slow cooker. Elite Gourmet. Got it on Amazon. When I picked this up, it was only about, no lie, it was about $13, $12, $12.99, something like that, for a little decent sized little crock pot. Now, I picked this up to keep out here in my hangout room, recording studio, whatever, to have, if I wanted to heat up something that I have pre-made, to eat here or to bring here, or simply on the go if I want to make anything that you could put in here, whether it be some nice homemade soup for throughout the winter or even throughout the year. Can make reheat some food, whatever you would make to put in one of these, I have it ready. So I'm gonna just rip this out of the box real quick here, show you. Upon opening it, right on top we got our book. We can check that out later. And you can see right inside the box, it's well packed. Yeah, I hate that sound too, sorry. But the styrofoam that is used is not that flaky stuff, so you don't have to worry. Once you open it, it's not gonna go everywhere. Careful when you pull it out of the box, because I'm glad that I just held my finger on the bottom there. What's on the bottom? Why it was on the bottom, I don't understand that, but the lid was on the bottom. Don't get that. So take your styrofoam off, throw it to the side, get your plug, styrofoam on the bottom, plastic covering the wire, got your cord, comes out the bottom. The bottom, we got the feet, so it won't be wobbling on the cord. And there it is. You can fit a decent amount of stuff in there. There's your insert. Let's take that out so I can take this cardboard out. And it is nice and light. You got your off, your low, your high, and your warm. I mean, you can't get any more simpler than that for what this is, the size that it is, and what you're really going to use it for. You don't need timers on this. You're either with it, putting it on, or off. Put that in there. Put your lid on. That came on the bottom. So if you open it up in the box and you slide it out, for some reason, someone must have flipped it or flipped the box and didn't realize. So just be careful when you're taking it out, because you never know what you're going to get, how it's packed or whatever. But this was on the bottom, so if I slid it out, it would have just fell to the floor, and possibly wouldn't have made it. Glad it did. Glad I caught that. So here it is. Nice and small. It's not that big. Won't take up much room on my already clustered countertop with my espresso machine, my drink cups, the cup rack, and everything like that. So this won't take up too much room here. And yeah, so for literally like about 12 bucks, 1.5 quart slow cooker, crock pot, whatever you want to type in to search it, it comes up. They have different colors. I got the stainless steel look because it matches what I got going on over there, or that way, whichever way you're seeing this. Or there's just plain black, but I didn't want the plain black because you see everything on anything that's black. It just collects the dust instantly and you see it. So I figured the two-tone, the stainless steel, and the black knob, the black handles, a little less to clean, a little less to see dirty. This really cheap crock pot. That's all I had to show you today. You like the video, hit that like button down below, hit the subscribe and the bell. It'll alert you every time there's new stuff coming your way to see. Thanks for watching.